At Whitman, the exercise that they had your mind do was, creatively solving these problems. Even in my film classes, how do you produce something, from nothing? And so I think the same muscle in your brain is related to the business side. I just saw a problem that was sort of neglected, which is doing laundry. And I wanted to, see if I could provide a solution for that that hasn't really been explored, which is mobile peer-to-peer laundry solutions. If you live in the greater Seattle area and you would rather not spend, 2 or 3 hours doing your laundry, or maybe you don't have the time, you can use our services to have somebody pick up your laundry from your door, wash it, dry it, fold it, and return it. I'm going to be going to a few different laundromats that I've already scoped out. I'm going to be doing market research and literally ask people, what do you think about this idea? What would you be willing to pay for this service? Would you consider using this service? If I make one order to one customer that gives them satisfaction, then I've succeeded. And if I provide a passive income for somebody, even for a day or for a week, then I feel like I've enabled, I've created a system that hadn't existed before that really generated a value for other people.